The healthcare space has always interested me, but I wanted something beyond the conventional. A career where I could shape patient outcomes and the future of care. From the moment I started the Master of Pharmacy at UTS, I could see how the pharmacist's role has evolved beyond traditional dispensing to a wider scope of practice and career opportunities. What stood out to me was how practical the program is. Every subject reflects real pharmacy practice, and what we learned in class I could apply straight away on placement. That gave me the confidence to connect with patients and make a difference from day one. The lecturers make the experience even better. They're leaders in their fields, and the knowledge and connections they bring open doors to global industry networks and the people shaping the future of pharmacy. At UTS, opportunities go far beyond the coursework. We're encouraged to take part in industry programs and gain a variety of experience, and it has truly shaped my journey. Through my placements, I've seen just how vital pharmacists are, from playing a crucial role in rural settings to driving innovation in the pharmaceutical industry. I'm not sure which path I'll follow as a pharmacist, but what I do know is that my experiences here have shown me the many ways I can make an impact and has inspired me to keep pushing for better outcomes for my patients.